Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. Today, we take you into a modern water heater manufacturing factory to see how these gas water heaters are made. How does the factory operate, from material selection to the finished product? Let's find out. The manufacturing of gas water heaters begins with rigorously selected raw materials. The outer shell is usually made of corrosion-resistant stainless steel or high-strength alloys, while the inner liner is made of corrosion-treated steel plates to ensure long-lasting durability. At the same time, we use environmentally friendly insulating materials to minimize heat loss and improve energy efficiency. Through high-precision cutting and molding equipment, we ensure that each part meets the design standards, guaranteeing the quality of our products from the source. Here, the automated production line comes into play. The liner and the heating element are the heart of a gas water heater. We ensure that the core components of each gas water heater meet the highest safety standards through automated conveyors and an organized assembly process. And every gas water heater undergoes rigorous performance testing before it leaves the factory. The quality and emission standards of our gas water heaters comply with the North American CSA standards and the European Union CE standards, and we have a laboratory accredited by the International Standards Association. Safe and reliable, worthy of your choice. In addition, environmental protection is one of the core concepts of our production. In packaging, we use biodegradable packaging materials and reduce the use of plastic to ensure the safe transportation of our products while reducing the impact on the environment. From the selection of materials to the finished product, Vangood adheres to a combination of efficient, smart and environmentally friendly concepts. We guarantee that the water heater you receive will not only be of high quality, but also meet consumer demand, and we can be your reliable partner. Thank you for watching. Vangood is dedicated to high-quality water heaters and one-stop service. If you have any questions or needs, feel free to contact us or subscribe to our channel. See you next time.